a new era of ground warfare is beginning to take shape, not defined by sheer armor alone, but by intelligence, connectivity, and precision. The battlefield is evolving into a network of data, sensors, and coordinated systems, and at the center of this transformation is the United States Army's next-generation combat vehicle, a platform designed not just to fight, but to think, adapt, and survive in an increasingly complex environment. For decades, armored vehicles like the Bradley defined how soldiers moved and fought on the battlefield, carrying troops into combat while providing firepower and protection. But modern threats have changed the equation. Drones, precision-guided missiles, and advanced surveillance systems have made traditional designs more vulnerable. Requiring a new approach that combines protection with awareness and strength with intelligence. This next-generation vehicle introduces a powerful shift in capability. Equipped with a 50mm cannon, it delivers greater range, impact, and effectiveness against modern armored threats. Yet firepower is only one part of the evolution. The system is designed with an unmanned turret, removing crew from the most exposed position, increasing survivability, and allowing internal space to be used more efficiently for troops and systems. Beyond its physical design, the vehicle is built as a digital platform, integrating sensors, communication systems, and real-time data processing. Enabling it to operate as part of a connected battlefield where information flows continuously between units, decisions are faster, and coordination is seamless. This is not just a machine operating alone, it is a node within a larger intelligent network. One of the most defining aspects of this system is its ability to operate with varying levels of autonomy. It can be crewed, remotely controlled, or partially autonomous, reducing risk to soldiers while expanding operational flexibility. This capability reflects a broader shift toward human-machine teaming, where technology enhances decision-making, extends reach, and reshapes how missions are executed on the ground. The implications of this development extend far beyond a single vehicle. It represents a transition toward a new model of warfare, where mobility, awareness, and adaptability are prioritized over static strength, where vehicles are not just platforms of armor, but integrated systems of intelligence capable of responding dynamically to rapidly changing conditions. Challenges remain in integrating these technologies at scale, ensuring reliability, managing complexity, and adapting doctrine to match new capabilities. Yet progress continues as testing and development advance, refining performance, enhancing systems, and pushing the boundaries of what modern combat platforms can achieve. This is how the future of ground warfare is being redefined, not through incremental upgrades, but through a shift towards smarter, more connected, and more adaptive systems where machines extend human capability and where every movement, every decision, and every action is supported by technology. The next-generation combat vehicle is not just an upgrade, it is a signal that the battlefield itself is evolving. Subscribe to Design and stay connected to the technologies shaping the future of warfare, strategy, and global power. Like, subscribe, and be part of the evolution.